In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide mesh component selections in Cinema 4D. This is a simple but powerful workflow for staying focused while modeling. Whether you're working with points, edges, or polygons, the approach is the same and it only affects visibility in the viewport. Nothing gets deleted or permanently changed. Think of it as a clean way to isolate exactly what you need to see. Start by selecting the components you want to work with. Use whatever selection method you prefer, rectangle, lasso, loop, or anything else. Just make sure the components you want are highlighted. Once your selection looks right, head up to the Select menu. From there, choose Hide Selected to hide precisely what you've picked. This is perfect when you want to keep the rest of the mesh visible while temporarily removing your current selection from view. You'll notice those components disappear from the viewport, letting you concentrate on everything else without distraction. Alternatively, if your goal is to focus on a specific area and clear away the clutter, select the components you want to keep visible, then go back to the Select menu and choose Hide Unselected. This hides everything except your selection, giving you an instant, focused view of the part you care about. It's a great way to navigate dense meshes or intricate models without losing your place. When you're ready to bring everything back, go to the Select menu again and choose Show All or Unhide All. Both options restore visibility to every hidden component, returning your viewport to its full state. If you accidentally hide more than you intended, don't worry, show all or unhide. All makes it easy to recover immediately. A few tips as you use this. Hidden components can't be selected until they're revealed, so if you can't grab something, check whether it's hidden. Remember that hiding is purely a visual aid. Your geometry, UVs, and other properties remain intact. Use Hide Selected when you want to remove a distraction you've already identified, and use Hide Unselected when you want to lock your view onto a specific region and push everything else aside. That's all there is to it. Select the components you care about, use Hide Selected or Hide Unselected from the Select menu to control what you see, and use Show All or Unhide All to bring everything back. With this workflow, your modeling sessions will be cleaner, faster, and far more focused.